So day 6 in the morning, Mizuna has really shot up, and it's already leaning over to the side. You can see here, but also the roots have really pushed up on here. I haven't often seen that, to be honest with you. They've, yeah. So I'm just pulling up this side compared to that one. It's that reach of towards the light, I imagine. So they're obviously doing really well. Because that's looking a bit dry where I poured it up, I'm going to give them a water just down the side. Just a little bit like that. Just like that. And put them back in the light. From this day onwards, it's just a case of checking at morning and night. You'll notice if they start flopping that they're going to need water. So just check in, make sure it's not too dry, depending on the temperature that you've got it at, in the sort of window ledge or on a shelf. Just morning and night, really, really quick, simple.